Welcome. In front of me is an ID2ME ID1 phone, and I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. To start, we will need to power off the device, so let's do that. Tap on power off and tap on OK. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it's off, we'll hold volume up and power key together. So volume up, power key. And right now we're in a boot mode, so from here we will use only volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm what we select. And I don't believe you can actually see what is on the screen, but the first option would be recovery mode. So I'm gonna select the first option, and from there I'm just gonna tap on volume down to confirm it, like so. Give it a second and you should be in recovery mode, like so, and voila, we're in recovery mode. From here you can just reboot the system, apply updates, wipe the cache or the entire phone, power it off, and access bootloader. So yeah, and to navigate through it, you will use volume up and down this time, like the previous time, and confirm it with the power key. So I'm just gonna, as an example, I'm gonna reboot the device, so I'm gonna choose reboot system now, right at the top, and confirm it with the power key, like so. So this is how you access the recovery mode, and well, I guess also how you leave it if you like it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.